so much deeper when you quit playing charades. You act so cool, but underneath you seem afraid. There's something sweet about your eyes when you feel safe. You keep running away. Owe it to yourself to dare. Just try to open up and show someone you care.
Hi you all, I am iamSimoneC. Welcome to my YouTube channel, or welcome back. And today you all, we have an exciting video. Today is all about this gorgeous loose deep wave wig by the company Wignee Hair. I would love to thank Wignee Hair so much for sending me this gorgeous unit and for sponsoring today's video. If you all are interested to see how I got this install from start to finish, please stay tuned and keep on watching. Alright y'all, so here's their box, just as Wignee Hair. New hairstyle, new feeling. Inside you get a wig cap, 3D eyelashes, and a really pretty like rainbow type of paddle brush. Super cute. And the units. It is a 22-inch loose deep wig. So it is a 4x4 closure wig. Inside you get 3 combs and 2 adjustable straps. I love how pretty the waves already come defined for you. So pretty. Do you see this beautiful loose wave? So let's get into installing her. Okay, so once we have the unit on, we're gonna pull her back out the way. Now we're gonna part out a section in the front to begin plucking slightly. I want a more realistic look, so we're gonna pluck a little bit more. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. We're gonna comb that through with our fine tooth comb, and that's all the hair that we received from the first pluck. Now we're gonna take out another roll in the front and begin plucking that as well, in kind of like a jagged motion. You don't want to pluck the same area too much. Comb that through and look at the difference. So now we're going to proceed to do the same steps on the other side. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Now we're gonna make sure our part is straight down the middle using the rat tail portion of the comb, and using our wax stick we're gonna go in and heavily coat the hair to prepare to hot comb the roots, you all. Hot combing makes such a difference. Look how nice and sleek the hair now looks at the roots. It just gives you a more seamless application. Pulling the lace back, now we're going to begin to adhere the lace down with our Ebin New York spray. Cutting off the lace closure now. And I'm going to perfect the hairline a little bit with the scissors as well. Time to pin the wig up, and now we're going to use our melt band by the brand Silky. She is a fellow YouTuber as well. I'll be sure to link her channel down below. Her products are amazing. This melt band is going to make sure you have a seamless melt, and I indicated with my hands that we're going to leave it on for 5 minutes while blow drying. Look at the difference already, you all. Pinning the hair back again. Now we're going to style our baby hairs. So I pulled out 2 sections from the front, cut them with the scissors of course, and just begin to swoop and mold until we have it to our liking. Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Love me in spite of my trauma. Following the same steps on the other side, of course. When it pop off, it's like, oh my, all good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me
me what we on a day.
Now we're going to pull out some of my natural baby hairs and sideburns just to give the, entire install a more flawless effect because we don't have lace ear to ear. I just think it helps to make everything look more natural.
If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane.
So we're going to proceed to do the same thing on the other side using our Cantu styling gel and just continue to swoop those edges, baby.
Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go on it. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell.
Let's tie her back up now and add the melt band again for another 5 minutes.
But when we get back, it's like, oh my, all bad all day, but the night time, get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy.
Ooh, look at that lay. Look at the lay. Okay. Using my One Size Beauty powder, we're going to go in the part and in the lace a little bit to make it look more natural and airbrushed.
If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you want to go insane either way, baby, we could go on. We could do it all night. We could go all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead. We could go all night.
So because we manipulated the hair a little bit in the front with all the plucking, I'm going to go in and add a couple of big wand curls to the unit just on top so that everything is nice and uniformed.
No, you looking bomb the way you dress it, gone flex it, hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage, you got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weathered. We fight retreating this, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody's stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blameless, make amends, know you can, I'm out here.
Trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could.
Alright, y'all, so this is what we have so far. Super cute, right? I'm loving this hair way more than I expected, you all. Like, wow, it's so cute. So I just went in and added a couple of wand curls just in the top portion, just because that's the hair that, I was tweezing and picked out with my hand. So that part was a little bit more frizzy, so I just went in and added curls to the top. So cute. You see a lot of bounce body and waves to this beautiful deep wave hair. So let's see what we have with these two. I let these set a little bit longer just because the hairs in the front were manipulated the most with the tweezer, so I really wanted those to sit. Ooh, so cute. Oh my god, I did that today, you all. I did this today, okay? Wow, I'm not a hair professional, or else I would totally cut some layers in the front. So as you saw in the styling, again, I tweezed the front just a little bit to give it this more natural effect, and I'm loving it with the baby hairs. I used my styling gel to slick everything down, and then because this is a closure wig, I wanted it to look more realistic and natural as possible, so I decided to lay my natural hair as well. So all of this is my natural hair, so no matter which way the wind blows, okay baby, I'm covered either way. Look at this, so cute, so cute. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Wignee Hair did an awesome job with this loose wave, you all. The 22 inches is a perfect length. This is where it's hitting me. Okay, so to take out some of the frizz, I'm gonna use the Silk Infusion by Chi. Just a little bit. This adds a shine and luster to the hair. As you can see, it's nice and shiny now. It smells amazing, and it just tames any frizz and flyaways in the hair. So that completes today's hair install. You all absolutely love it. I love closure wigs because you do not have to worry about applying lace from ear to ear, just in the center here. It's so easy for work, the grocery store, so on and so forth, and I love it. if you all bleach the knots, you'll even get a more seamless install. But you all know that my wig reviews caters to the average everyday busy woman who does not have time and you need a style right out of the box, and here you have it. So gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm in love. Once again, I would love to thank Wignee Hair so much for sending me this gorgeous bomb loose deep wave unit and for sponsoring today's video. I will be sure to leave this unit and all the products that I used today in the install down below in the description box at your fingertips for your convenience. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe, share this video with your friends and family, comment down below. Let's get a conversation going as always, and you all, I will see you in the next one. Bye.